All right, Rosie. I went ahead and actually took the time to record a part of a new program that just got launched. It's called Performance Matters. Angie is the one that's been training me, and she wanted to go ahead and run through what Performance Matters is about. So, yeah, take it away, Angie.
Okay. All right. What we're basically Performance Matters is an all-in-one data solution testing center that integrates with Unified Classroom. And this is just a general overview. This is what an administrator would see. I can show you what a teacher would see as well here in a little bit. But here I can get an overview of a school, and I can drill down to my student enrollment. I can drill down even further and see all the attributes of my students and so forth. It also keeps up with my discipline, what all the students do with discipline, the absenteeism, and the absent rates as well. It's pretty intense. It also allows me to go in and provide a news feed to my teachers so they can go and do their own individual tutorials, as well as being able to share reports with my teachers and with my administration. And I can also drill down and look at each individual school and each individual teachers. So there's a whole lot to it. Normally this is like literally it's like a 36 hours worth of training to get everything in it. But if you go to my dashboard in Performance Matters, you can easily go in and get a student detail, and that's what we were talking about. And I'm just going to go and find this student, Duncan Delgado, and kind of show you the detail that you'll get on a student. And you can get this for every single student. So here you can look at the student detail. I can see his attendance. I can see his discipline. I can see his early warning indicators and so forth. And I can see his grades from all year. But I can also look at his test results. And so if I want to see what his test results were for this math midterm, I can go in and I can see his exact test results. I can see the numbers of items that he has been tested on. And if you look down here at this test, you can see all the different students and exactly how they scored and so forth on those
Wow.
tests. Again,
Huh.
so this is just, this is a quick one, but here's Duncan. And if I want to even drill down even further, I can generate a PDF that shows me his information.
Wow.
I can also go in and let PDF generate. It didn't generate, but you would be able to get one. But I can look at each individual question item and look at the item detail to see how everyone did as a district. I can see how everyone, even how a classroom did, how a teacher did, and I can see the scores. And all this can be shared and can be delivered out to an Excel sheet or anything else. So
Wow.
it's big. It's a big program. It does everything you would ever want it to do.
Wow. And then a quick question, Angie. It does Performance Matters, does it communicate with UC assessment? I just know last time we misunderstood. We thought Power School assessment is what we needed, but it ended up not communicate. It wouldn't communicate to I forget the unified classroom portion of it. So we went ahead and we discontinued Power School assessment, and now we have UC assessment. But I just want to make sure there wasn't any lack of, that are,
Well,
yeah.
this will take the place of
Oh,
the assessments because you can go in and you can do your own test. You can create your own item test. You can do all the things that you can in UC assessment. But the benefit of having Performance Matters is that you've got all of that data that is being collected for you. Whereas UC
ah,
assessment as a standalone is just simply an assessment.
got it.
So,
Okay, that makes sense. See, that's
so
the
this,
part that I
yeah.
think was a little unclear to us in regards to, because I love what UC assessment can do, but I'm thinking for long-term tracking, it doesn't really do that for us. So that's where I'm assuming that's where Performance Matters comes in to
Right.
play.
And this is
Got it.
a fairly new program within the last year and a half.
Okay.
And so they're continuing to upgrade and improve the integration
Yeah.
all the way. So
Perfect.
that's one of the things that you want to look at. And here I'm looking at too. I'm looking at all the teachers, and I have a teacher named Thomas. I can't name that I always like to look at. We'll just look at the teacher here. But we can go in and you can look at Brian, add whatever Brian's name is. I can look at his progress monitoring plan, how many students he has with disabilities, limited English proficiency,
That's good.
lunch, early warning indicators, and all those gifted students. And if I click on his name, then I can look at all the various teachers in the school, and I can just see what all is happening with each individual teacher. And
Wow.
And see the test results of my limited English proficiency students. I know in Texas we've got a lot of those.
We have a lot of them. Would you mind clicking the limited English proficiency for that one teacher? I just want to see so does it pull the students in his particular class?
I've got to find the teacher that's actually active.
Oh, yeah. No, yeah, I'd say.
Rachel Schroeder. Let's see. Let's see if Rachel's working. And then I can go up and I can filter. There's my LEPs right there.
Perfect. So yeah, so this would act as students, and it would show 16 standards. Oh, okay, percent.
And I can hover to discover and see that she did 12.9%. And see how this was. And usually their pictures will be there.
Yeah, got it.
So I can drill down and look at those limited English proficiency students.
Perfect.
So
Wow.
that's something that you would might want to think about.
Yes.
In the future, but it's
Yeah.
It is, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it is a lot of information, and it is user friendly, but it's a lot of information. So
Yeah.
Just from the teacher standpoint, it's really pretty simple. For an admin, you've got all this information at your fingertips
Yeah.
that you want. So
got it. So really quick, just to, I mean, and you might have explained this, and not maybe I didn't quite fully understand. So like, if I did want to still use what we have for UC assessment, and went ahead and created assessments, administered them, got data, after a span of time, let's say a year, I can go into Performance Matters and all of that data would roll automatically, right, to Performance Matters, where I would be able to see how my students have progressed over time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's.
And right here you can see. Here's an example. Here are. Let's just go into math. Here's some state test results for Algebra 1. And there's 2017, 2018. And so I can look at the test that was done in May. Not quite. Again, I'm in a sandbox. I haven't looked at
Yes,
it
no worries.
So this was not planned. So,
no, don't worry. You're good.
Yeah. Let's see if I can find something else to show you here.
I know we do ACT practice.
Yeah, you've got all that.
Great. Oh, that's awesome.
Let me look here if I can get try this ELA real quick.
Yeah, no worries.
2018. All right, there we go. Tested grade 3 all the way through 11.
Wow.
And so you can go through and I can look at grade 10 and see how they did. And I can see, I can look at grade 11 and see how they did. And then I can look at student. If I want to find Duncan Delgado, I'm not sure Delgado was in this one.
Oh, I don't know what happened. Maybe Angie. Did I lose you, Angie? Maybe I did. All right. Well, Rosie, I just wanted to quickly show you what the Performance Matters and what exactly it offers.